Come, let us go.
Hey, leave my daughter. Mommy.
You thought I died or what?
Leave me, Mommy.
When I call, you won't come out, huh? Hey, I know how to make you come.
Mommy.
Hey, hey, you catch her. Hey. If you want to see her again, you will have to come to me, and I should get satisfied. Take the vehicle. Hey!
Leave me.
I said don't. Go back.
Look, give my daughter. No, you can't take my daughter. Mommy. Give her.
Don't think that there is nobody there to question you. You better stop coming here to meet her, because I'll be here to protect her.
It's not here. I kept it somewhere here. Is it fallen down? What, man? I don't see the packet kept here.
Missing? Your son had brought food now. Till that time it was just here.
What? Mouse is missing. Which means case is closed, huh? Now what will you guys do? Which means now I can escape. Hey, stop and stop.
Hey, what happened?
Stop here, man.
Hey, what happened, man? Why did you ask me to stop here?
All that I'm not going to tell you. If you can wait, you wait, please.
Hey, I can't wait and all. You just come by yourself.
After
I'm going.
selling this stuff, I'll get so much of money. These fellas won't understand anything.
Listen, Hilton, your son had come here. He asked you money. You did not give him, so I have a doubt on him. Just give him a call and find out whether he's taken it.
Sir, my son is not a thief. Please
Hey,
bear it in
did I
mind.
tell you that he's a thief? I just told you to give him a call and find out whether he's taken it. Police department should have doubt on everyone.
Where are these drug vendors sitting? Behind that auto.
What?
His phone is ringing, but he's not
Try
answering.
to call him again. Did he pick up?
He's not answering the call.
He will take only the heroin. He will not pick up the phone call.
Hello? Yes. What?
Drugs, sir.
What drugs? You new to the locality or what?
No, no.
Don't you know where it is?
I have it with me, sir.
You have it or what? Sure.
This is original stuff, sir. I got it from my old friend.
How much?
40,000 rupees, sir.
I can't give you 40,000. Give you 20,000. Is it okay?
No, yes, sir. Okay.
Yeah, take. Go.
Sir, he'll be with your son, sir. Please check and let me know.
Shit, man. Hello?
Yeah, hello, Daddy.
Hey, where are you now?
I'm near MG Road.
Actually, I just wanted to tell you, in our station we just have a small problem. One accused who had some heroin with him, we have just caught him and kept in the station.
I see.
Now suddenly when we saw the heroin from the station is missing.
Would he have taken it?
Within 1 hour, if we don't take that accused along with the heroin to the court, we will all lose our job, my dear son. Okay, tell me, where is your friend, that Hriday's son? He came here sometime before. His behavior was very unusual. I have a small doubt on him. If he has taken it, please somehow collect it from him and give it to us. We are in a very serious situation. Please don't play.
Yeah, okay, Dad. You just come to MG Road. I'll come with him over there.
Okay, my dear son, please collect it soon. We'll come there immediately.
Sir, what
We have to go to Maran Square now. Come, let's move.
13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yeah, full 20,000.
Hey, where is the heroin?
Sold it. You got to know about
What
it.
did you do, man? Until our fathers are working in police, we have all the respect. You will lose that
What
also.
is the point in they wearing it or not wearing it?
Hey, where is he?
I've sold it to him.
Hey, he sold you some heroin, right? Give
Hey,
that back.
what drug? I have not taken any drug
Hey,
from him.
that's not right. My father works in the
Oh,
police.
doesn't
You give it to
matter.
me.
I have given 20. Now you give 60 back.
Huh? That is not possible. Yeah, give it to me, man. Hey, give it.
Now.
Huh.
Hey, take
Hey,
it.
give it now.
Hey, catch it.
Hey, catch
Hey,
him.
Catch him, man.
Huh.
Catch him. Catch him.
Hey, stop
Hey,
there.
Wait, man. Wait, man.
Hey, stop there, man. Hey, I'm telling you. Hey, just
Hey,
stop
catch
there.
him fast. He's running.
Hey. Hey, don't give it. Hey, don't throw it. Hey, stop that. Hey, give it to me. Hey.
Drugs.
Hey, bro, that is mine. Just give it to me.
Is
Hey, just give it to me, man. I am a son of the police officer.
Sir. Original, dude.
Hey, it'll become a big issue.
Take
Just
it
give
from me, man.
You come. An outsider is hitting our man.
Who's the fellow? We should ask here.
Somebody
Hey,
cannot come
who
and
is it?
simply hit
Who
our
is he?
person.
Who is the outsider?
Huh? This will become a habit.
Wait a
sir.
second, see.
Hey, I don't know, yeah.
No
Hey,
idea.
we'll check, yeah. Hey,
Who's that fellow? We should ask here. Hey, who
come.
is it? Who is he? Who is the outsider?
Hey, hide all your weapons here.
Come here, sir.
Hi, my lord.
Is he a police or a priest?
How come you here? Any serious matter from our end?
Nothing serious, David. He's my son.
Next to him, you see a small rotten buffalo. That's my bloody son. He came to the station to give me food. Asked me money. I said no.
He had come to our station sometime before and he has taken the heroin with him. We have to present the accused to the court today. The heroin packet is missing. We are afraid that we lose our job today. That's why I've come here.
Who took the cocaine from this guy? How many times have I told you not to deal with strangers? Give it! Here, take it, sir. And one more minute. Take this too. Share it among yourself.
My lord.
This is horrible, man.
You may leave, sir. Later I'll send
Come,
your
let's
son.
go to the court.
Everything happens with the grace of people like your father. All are my guys. What, man? You're cleaning and servicing all your weapons, huh? This guy killed in Trichy. This in the gate of the court itself. Here, now look at this guy. This guy killed in Madurai. Hey, this weapon is not sharp enough, dude. Be careful.
Sir, why is this stuff rusted here?
Hey, take this bloody thing and keep it inside. I don't want to see it. Whenever I take it outside, nothing happens bloody. These are the guys who have played a major role in my life. Hey, keep blessing me and always take care of me like you've always done.
कल मैंने तेरे को एक काम बताया था ना, वो करने का है. जो कहाँ भी है उसको
These
उठाने
guys
का.
can talk very nicely and pull off a crime. They look very innocent and therefore they can deceive anyone. That's why I only recruit people who look innocent. Hey, get 300 packs in 1 kilo.
What is this, brother? You are doing all this in public?
Hey, this is all my area. It is surrounded by all small hamlets with my own people. No one can enter here. Every day around 200 people are fed here. Only good food can keep you healthy, buddy. Only then you can knock down heads. We have received the advance cash. Hey, based on the situation, you segregate and send them.
Okay, sir. Hey, you guys come here.
Do as what I said. Don't leave a stone unturned, okay?
Sir, the college guys have come, sir.
Come.
He's the minister's son. He's the commissioner's son.
Hi,
This
sir.
girl is the secretary's
Met
daughter.
your
Yes,
father
sir.
then, yeah.
Now itself started the election job. huh?
Not like that, sir.
Hey, there's the balloon man. What are you doing here, man?
I want to see David, bro.
Now there is one more job left for us, sir. Okay, sir.
Send the guys appropriately.
I'll take care of it, sir. What are you looking at? Hey, still didn't leave or what? Sir, this is the balloon guy, sir. He's put up a stall on the beach. He wanted to meet boss. You are the guy. Yes, sir. Don't you know that you have to pay money for the stall you have put up?
I don't know.
If you don't know, try to know. Where are you from?
North.
Far north. You know Peter. If only he said he knew, I would have given him nicely. The person who we killed 2 years back. Hey, you gotta be careful, man. We don't know who comes for a revenge when. Okay, now why the hell did you come here for?
My father is not well. He has to be given treatment for 6 months. That's why I've come here to earn some income.
Hey, according to the rule here, nobody can put up a shop at the beach. You've got excuses like your father is not well. You can carry on with the shop, but give also $100 to the boys every day. Festival days it's different. Alright, go. Go and blow your balloon. I'll finish and call you.
It's my marriage, sir.
Where are you from?
The neighboring village, sir.
Not seen you ever.
God bless you.
Where's the building owner, man?
He will be there upstairs, sir.
It's true that case was there in the court, but judgment is come in favor of us. Do you want to see the legal papers?
Yes. One more matter.
You need not worry about David. I will take care. We have a very good...
7.5 lakh buildings in the city is under my control. Without my knowledge, nobody can sell it and nobody can buy it. And without my knowledge, if anybody tries to buy or sell it, no 1% here will live. And if you want to live, my 25% of the share should be given to me. And if you try to dodge me by saying this or that, I'll send you to hell.
Money or life? You decide. Hey, keep a watch on him.
Hey, during the coming election, that minister's son and that MLA's son are contesting. I'm sure they'll create some problem. But whatever they do, we'll have to face it and win the election, okay? They will want us to withdraw from the election, but we should not. Till the election is over, we all should be together, okay?
Hey, what are you guys doing here?
Hey, don't run, don't run.
Hey, what are you guys doing here?
Hey,
Hey! Planning to
Hey,
contest the election? Come,
Hey,
start
don't
to
run.
leave us. We'll finish you. Hey, stay there.
don't
Hey,
run, don't run.
I said stay there. Come on,
Stop there.
Come on, guys. Let's catch him. Come on. We'll finish you.
Sir,
Hey, stay
police
there.
station?
Yes, it's a police station.
I'm calling from the local beach. One group of rowdies are chasing 4 boys along with big knives. Can you come now, sir?
May I know who's calling?
Sir, I'm running a balloon shooting shop at nearby beach.
Look after your business.
Hello.
What, David? Is there any problem?
Why? What happened?
Our police station is under your control. Can't you have the local beach under your control?
What the hell are you talking? What happened?
Nothing serious. I just got an information that your guys are chasing 4 boys in the beach along with knives. Just now I got a call to the police station. If this information is passed on to somewhere else, you'll have a problem. Please tell your guys to take care.
Actually, who called you, sir?
Actually, I got a call from a local boy who's running a balloon shooting shop at beach.
Balloon shooting shop. What are you saying?
Brother, who are these people? Why are they standing on their knees?
Somebody has actually informed the police about me. I just wanted
Yeah,
to check
you
with this
should
dude.
wear all this.
Hey,
Only then the
no,
photo
no,
will be
no,
really
I'm not
colorful.
used to
Hey,
wearing
wear
all
this.
that.
Come on.
I'm not used to
Now
wearing
you
it.
are
I don't
looking
like cricket,
smashing. Huh? Hey, camera is ready, right?
Okay,
Yeah.
Okay.
Come on,
let's
let's
take a
alone
hold
take.
this bat. Yeah, that's right.
I'm posing.
You can
Take a
now.
photo. Take like
super
this.
Pose. Wonderful. Yeah, now I'll also stand. Take one.
Print a very huge picture of mine and keep cutouts in the
Yeah,
railway station.
definitely.
Okay, I'm
Okay,
going to
I'm
come and
going
say.
now.
Yeah. Okay,
Bye,
thank
bye.
you.
You're super, dear.
Bro,
What
these
is it?
guys are not answering,
Tell
bro.
me who called the police. You won't answer simply, huh? Tell me who said. I'm asking who called, right?
I was the one who told.
Hey! Hey, leave it! So it was you who informed the police about me, huh?
How dare
Hey!
you?
I'm talking to him, right? When 2 men are talking, why does a lady come in between?
A knife will be useful for man and woman equally. Mind that. Life will not come back. I want only their life. Kill him at
Hey!
once.
Which place are you from? He's from up north. His father is in the hospital. I only gave him permission to put up the balloon stall. How many times have I told you not to help people whom you do not know? Now you see what happened.
Bro, I didn't know that they were your people. Otherwise, I would not have given the call.
Just try doing once. Try it. Even the old lady in the opposite stall told me that his father is really in the hospital. Hey, if ever once more I happen to see you in this area, I'll come home and hit you. Go! Get lost!
Don't believe anyone,
Get
okay?
lost.
Chandrasekhar, a very sincere officer. There is not even a single failure in his operation, and no black mark on his name till date. The entire details about him is there in this file. Records are very clean. Oh, first posting at Madurai.
Yes, sir.
So, you were the rural SP at that time?
Yes, sir.
That's good. Sir. Thank you, sir. This file has got the details about David. Sorry, sir. In that report, the complete details about David has not been given. It will not be very useful to us. You mean to say that he is running a black garment? Yes, sir. David is very close with politicians, business people, film industry, and the rail agents. In fact, he is the person who has started killing as a full-time job. I started following him for some time. He and his network is the only reason for the crimes behind happening in the city.
Oh my god! See how they did!
20 years before he killed someone at Manhattan for friendship. People have been killed for religion enmity. Killing was done for communal activities and for business enmity too. Due to political rivalry, a lot of people had been killed. This city is the only place where people had been killed for money. Today it's just spread like a virus, and the reason behind that is David alone. If David gets into some problem, he leaves to the sea immediately. After the problem is solved, Then he comes back. So, not David alone. The entire network should be eradicated and I want complete freedom for that. Sure. Thank you, sir. Sorry, sir, I have some doubt on our department officers. So I want to create my own team. Within 1 week, I will submit you entire details. Mr. Chandrasekhar, sir, CM is very sensible about this case. Don't bother about anybody. There will not be any interference in this. At any time, you can give me a call. Okay?
Sir.
I am Chandrasekhar, Inspector.
Gunashekhar, writer.
C.K. George, Constable.
Gopal Swami, Constable. Paramasivam, Constable. Idaya Raj, Constable.
Chitra, essay, sir.
I am not bothered about how you were working in the station before, but I keep certain rules and regulations of how a policeman should work and you have to follow them. If you people are not able to follow it, then till I am at the station, you can take a medical leave and be at home. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Writer, you alone stay here. Sir? FIR book, FIR register, current register, progress register, office register, convict memorandum and convict abstract, station's crime chart. All these details I want immediately.
I will give it to you by tomorrow, sir.
Why? Are you not maintaining the files?
We have all the files, sir, but the dust has to be cleaned, sir. I have a problem of dust allergy, sir.
It's just because of you police officers, the public does not have any respect on our police department. If we conduct physical fitness every year, half of you people have to go home. Go on and bring the files immediately.
Yes, sir.
Hey, you have to move that side. This is my place. I was sleeping here only this side. Oh, so everybody is getting ready to sleep or what? Huh? Sir, what else to do? Hey, did somebody bring tea for us or what? It's already midnight 12. Tea and bun has already arrived. Come and have it before it becomes cold. What are you doing, man? Come and have tea. I'll come, sir. I'll just keep these rifles and come. Hey, when did they bring these here? They came quite some time back. Take and have.
Sir, you said you're going to your native. You didn't go or what?
I got tired waiting for the bus.
Sir, the bus has come, sir.
Huh? Oh, leave it. I'll sleep and just go in the morning. Oh my God! Hey, get inside! Hey, close the door, man. Close. Yeah. Lock it and it's an ambush. Oh my God! Go to the other side. Nobody should escape from this place. Kamalanayagan?
It's me, sir.
Come, let's go.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Don't hit me!
Tell me, come on.
I don't know anything.
Hey.
I don't know anything, sir.
Tell me.
Don't hit me.
Tell-
Oh my God!
Tell me.
Oh,
Tell me.
Oh my
Huh?
God.
Oh, you
I
won't
don't know,
say.
Sir, I don't know
Huh?
anything,
Tell
sir.
me.
Sir,
Tell me
please
about
don't
Veerapan. Where is he? Where
oh
is
my
he?
God.
Come on.
It's hurting, sir. Sir,
Huh?
I don't know, sir.
I
Sir,
know
don't
it has to
Please
hurt,
don't
that's
leave
why I'm
me,
hitting,
sir.
right?
I know,
Huh?
sir. I know, sir. I'll tell you, sir. I'll tell you exactly.
Tell me.
This thing. I'll even show you today, sir. Yeah, wait here, sir. Sir, just a minute. Sir, just look there. Veerapan and people are there. Yeah, there.
Hey, give me some, man. Hey, look here, man. Look here. Tell me how my mustache is.
Hey, this is nothing in front of our brother's mustache.
Attack!
They were here for all this while, sir.
Shit! Look, they have not traveled too far. I am sure they are somewhere here only. Go and search for them. Go fast. Fast. Go. What, man? You're standing silent.
As you instructed, I have done everything, brother.
Did they hurt you too much?
Yes, brother, they hit me a lot on the backbone. Look, just see here. This is okay, brother. The wound will heal up fast. I shall tolerate anything for you, brother. Whatever I say, they'll believe. Sir, this evening, Veerapan will definitely come on the outskirts of the forest, sir.
Actually, you're very smart, Kamal. If I would have got such an informer before, I would have nabbed Veerapan long time back.
Okay, sir.
Ah, good. Hey, Kamal Nayak, you wait outside for 5 minutes.
Right, sir.
Hey, Kamal Nayak, shall we start?
Okay, sir.
You guys should maintain a distance of 1 kilometer. You go get in that vehicle.
Yes, sir.
Hey, Arjun.
Hey, hide there, man. Hide there, there, sir. Yeah. Come, fast, make it fast, man. Come fast,
Bullshit. Look how they have placed stones in the middle of the road. Kamal Nayak, please remove those stones, man.
Sir, I'll do it right now, sir.
Yeah, make it fast. Hey, Kamal Nayak, don't run. Hey, come back, man. Good morning, boys. On to the spot. Come on. Let's work.
Commandos, this side. Keep your attention there. Force, double march.
What, sir? To catch Veerappan, you have to be so serious. Is this so necessary?
Yes. Without nabbing that Veerappan and getting him dead or alive, I'm not going to get married. This is what the media will have to communicate to the entire world.
Wish you good luck, sir.
Thank you.
Oh, Mother of the whole universe, please be with me and my people forever and ever, because we are going to be doing the duty of as we don't.
Hey brother, only after killing you will that policeman get married.
Let him come. Not only for him, I'll get everyone who's with him married. Call every one of our people.
Yeah, come here. Fresh vegetables.
How much is this tomatoes? Give 1 kg.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's very low price.
Hey, Gopal Krishnan, the thief of goats. If you are a man who's got guts, come to my place and let us see who is going to win.
What? He's hung up a placard in the public or what? I'll go one step beyond that. I'll prove that I'm several notches powerful than him.
Hey, the vehicle is coming. Just take care.
Hey, Simon, that Gopal Krishna's head should burst off and the brain should splash over.
What the Veerappan group has done. They have killed a lot of officers.
Someone ambush here.
This is very bad.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, come. Pray now. Okay. Yeah, keep up. Burn the camphor now. Okay. Bring that flowers here.
Next week it's my sister's marriage. That's why I'm going to my native.
You go and keep this inside your prayer room. All your things will happen properly. God will do all good for you, son.
Hey Govind, among the ones who killed Gurunath, only one fellow is alive now. Today we should kill him.
Okay, brother.
Do you remember what I said?
Saw one brave fellow coming out. Kill him, man. Let's kill him. Phantom calling India. Phantom calling India. India Supreme. India calling. India calling. Please come in. Over.
Tell me.
Fast. We have an ambush here. Rangasamy would expand. Rangasamy would expand. Hey, take the vehicle. Take the vehicle. Sir, it is a Rangasamy bend, sir.
I'm coming.
Take the vehicle. Reverse. Hey, Maha. Yes, brother. Go and collect all those guns. Hey, there are people talking inside. Please be careful. Be conscious all around. Brother, this is wireless.
Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy, are you okay? Boys, Veerappan here, some man near itself. Come on, attack!
Okay, sir.
Relax. Easy, easy. Sit up, sit up. Hello, who's on the line? All right, I'm on the way to the hospital. Veerappan has attacked our force. Karnataka SP is in a very critical condition. I'm taking him now to the Metro Hospital.
Yeah, I get you.
Make it fast, come quick!
Sir, just wait for 1 minute.
What?
Both the foot pipe and the windpipe are damaged. We don't have the facility to
what should
treat
I
him
do?
here. If you take him immediately to the Salem Medical College, he can be treated and rescued.
Buddy, SP is in a very critical condition now. It's bleeding continuously. Inform all the stations to block the road immediately so that we don't have any problem. Do the needful quickly, soon. From here to Salem, it's about 55 kilometers. We have to reach soon.
I'll connect to the best doctors at Salem. Over and out.
Good, okay. Now block the nearest junction. No traffic should be there. Come on, fast, quick! We'll reach Salem by about 20 minutes. Cool. Yes, I'm taking care. I'll be there in 2 minutes.
Sir, what is this, sir? Why are you blocking the road like this? Sir, we have to go early, sir.
Have you blocked the next junction? Over.
Completely blocked, sir.
What about Bipinagar junction?
Sir, we have blocked everything. You can come confidently. The vehicle has crossed Puducherry. Everything is blocked. Over.
Clear, everything.
Sir, the vehicle has crossed from here. Please block the traffic ahead.
All right, block the traffic. Come on, quick. Soon.
Yes, keep everything ready. Okay, bring him out.
Relax.
Okay, bring him. Yeah.
Reached.
Please, slowly. Take him out.
Careful.
Yeah. Bring him here. Make him lie down.
Quick.
Fast. And make it cool.
Move.
Yeah, keep moving. Move. Go.
It's now reached. Gokulam Hospital. Over. I will take care of him, sir. We'll call later.
We are able to stop the windpipe bleeding. Now we have hope.
Thank you, sir.
You brought him in the right time. Good job.
It's my duty, sir. I've spoken with the doctor. He said you'll be fine soon. Your family is waiting outside to see you. You'll be fit to continue your job soon. Take care of your health.
My sweet dear Noyor, you should not cry like this, my dear. Come on, honey. Yeah. Last week only we have given cough syrup, no? I don't know why she is getting cough again and
This
again.
is not to give to the baby,
come on,
sister.
come on,
It's for the hen.
dear.
If we apply this medicine on the hen's body,
You should have started the work soon so that we could have completed the dish by.
why are you sitting here? You move and sit.
Ah.
Hey Arjun, you shoot.
What?
Hey, shoot that hen, man. Hey, wait. Ah, now you shoot. Ah, make it fast, man.
If you give to that baby, it might be good.
Hey,
Hey, just stay
Wait,
there.
man.
I'm telling you, stay
Hey,
there.
wait.
Just stay there. Hey, come. Hey, guys, come on soon. Come on, quick. Let's go.
That medicine was prepared by this hand, no? See, nothing had happened to this.
Buddy, don't waste time. Come on, quick. They'll reach soon. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Come.
run fast. Keep moving. Run fast. Reggie, remember? Find out. They might be somewhere here only. Check out properly. They might be hiding here only. Look around properly. Shut them up. Okay, come back. Move. Check the other side. Watch your arm.
My lord, it's really sad to see these things.
Not only the snake, but also the baby snake is venomous.
No, my lord, please don't tell like that. Actually, our children, they were not responsible at all for that encounter.
My brother cautioned me not to believe the sons of cops, but I didn't listen. I'll make you guys sit in the same place and perform the final rites for your sons. Sir, I have a small request for you, sir. So many murders, sir. Countless crimes that we have hidden from the department. Can't you please pardon us for this matter alone? Till date, I have received money for every crime I have done. But this is the first time that I'm going to pay money and then do a crime. Be ready to receive them in pieces. I'm going to send for them. You bloody fellow, you have killed my brother! Just look there. has come, man. Hey, run, just run. Hey, run, yeah. Oh my God.
Guys, keep running.
Don't look behind. Oh my God, don't look behind. Don't look behind. Oh my God,
Yo, jump over the jump fast. Guys, don't stop. Keep running. Yeah, fast. Guys, look over there. Let's go and hide there.
Buddy? Who's David? Hey! Why are you asking about him now? That David has come here, buddy. What? What are you telling? Where is our children? The moment our children saw them, they've left the place immediately.
Hey, bro. Can I make a phone call?
Okay, have it. Hey, unload fast.
Hello, who's this? It's me, father. Your son. Hey, son, how are you? Are you okay?
Hey, just find out whether my son is next to him.
David has found out our location. We have moved and we don't know where we are. Beyond this, we cannot run anywhere, Dad. If you cannot save your own son, then what a cop are you?
What happened? Why are you crying, buddy?
He's asking, being a police, are you not able to take care of his son? Sir, nobody should be sentenced to death, sir. Death for death is not a solution, sir. Forgiveness is eternal. That's what great people have said, sir. Whatever we and our children have done is a mistake, sir. But for that, our children should die in the hands of the wicked man, sir. And will you be silently watching all this crime, sir?
Hey, why are you crying before this officer? What is the difference between this man and the David? Just like our children told, he is killing for the uniform and David is killing for the money.
Please save our children from the hands of the wicked man, sir.
Police should not fall at anyone's feet.
Sir, please don't talk about the dress always, sir. If officers like us are inside the dress, then alone it is a uniform. If we remove it and keep it aside, it is just a cloth, sir. The respect what you give for this dress, keep the same respect for us who wear it, sir. Even though we are police, they are our children, sir. Our children, sir. Our children, sir. Please, sir.
Ah. When other people were crying, you were not bothered about that. Now when your children got into a problem, you're crying, right? You guys were afraid of the rowdy and sent away your children. Are you not ashamed to tell that you're a police officer? Huh? Police son should not be a rogue. That is the only reason why I told you guys to surrender your children. Now you guys are talking about uniform? If you know the real value about the uniform, your children would not be like this. Go.
Leave that, bro. There is no point trusting our fathers for this. If they really wanted to help us, they wouldn't have asked us to come from there. Anyway, don't call anyone else and tell where we are. We just have to help ourselves. There is nobody else.
How long to run, dude? Now where do we go?
Bro, you need not worry at all. One Mr. Kuttan is here. He will definitely help you, don't worry. I know that Kuttan very well, so I will introduce you, don't worry.
Oh Lord Krishna, you are omnipresent and omnipotent. Wherever there is bribe and crime, there I am. Hail be to the police station. Hey, sweetie pie. Hey, sweetheart.
Guys, please get down. Can you see that shop? The Godfather, Mr. Kuttan, whom I told you, he's there.
He is their godfather. He is not godfather. He is fraud father. Hello, sister. I need some milk. Sister, I need milk. What happened?
Here there is no milk, only hot tea. All of you have come searching for me, huh?
By the way, How did you end up in this place, huh?
What's your problem?
Yeah, we came here just to kill someone. Hey, that's you! You just left us to be killed over there and you came here and playing, huh? I'll kill you!
No! Actually, I didn't want to ditch you guys. Being tortured that way, anyone would have done the same thing I did.
Hey, go man.
Anyways, all this would have happened to you, bro. Now I am also sharing it with you.
All that is fine. We don't have even 5 rupees with us. Until all of this is resolved, you only should take care of us.
David has given a problem to us. He has demanded that we should not kill him by encounter. And with that demand, he has kidnapped Justice's grandson.
The boy has to be rescued somehow. The justice has requested so.
So David is still alive because the honorable judge. You know about that. He told killing innocent people just like animals will not come under human commission. If a rowdy kills a police officer, will it come under human commission? Is a police officer not a human being? He said encounter is a big crime, didn't he? Today his grandson was kidnapped, tomorrow he'll be kidnapped. Will he talk the same thing? Sir, if something happens to a police officer, then
Shekhar, relax.
Sorry, sir. Sir, we should not lose anyone from the department, sir. Sir, if I get an oral order from him to kill David, I will find out his grandson. Sir.
Commissioner sir's phone.
Hello? Did you get my grandson?
We will definitely save your grandson, don't worry, sir.
What should I do from my side? Please tell me immediately. If a Chief Justice family doesn't have protection, then what will happen to a common man? You please somehow try to catch that criminal and please get back my grandson alone, please.
Chandrasekhar. Yes, sir. I have spoken to the judge just now. He has given an oral order. You can carry on with your plan. Sir. Go in your own way. I am there with you. Okay, sir. Karthik, you can release the judge's grandson and come to the spot. Hey, tell me where is David? Tell me, you rascal!
Sir, don't do anything to me, sir. I don't do anything.
Where is he now? Tell me the number.
Sir, I'll say it, sir. Lastly, he spoke from his native, sir.
Give me the number, quick!
Sir, 960007
Karthik, give me the phone. Shiva, one number has to be traced. 9600072222. Find out immediately which area is this number and give me the details immediately.
Sir, don't do anything to me, sir. Just leave me, sir. Hello, how are you?
Yes, hello?
There is actually a land deal for you.
Huh?
If you can help us, it would be very nice.
Give me my commission, I'm going to do anything for you. Somebody has come forward to get hoodwinked by me. Let me see the face of the great man. Hey, good morning, sir. Oh my God! Who has caught me now? I'm going to get caught. I know I'm going to get screwed in my life.
Hey, tell me. Hey, I say, na. Why are you crying?
So many
Hey, why
nights
are you
for a
crying?
simple person like me. Bring him this side.
Hey, get up. Sit down.
What do you do here?
I put a tea shop.
People from this place come and do business in our place. Huh? I just can't simply believe what you're saying. I had spotted you at the place where my brother was killed. Now tell me, what's your relation with the Sons of Cops?
It's just for commission I came with them. And it is only those greedy boys who actually complained to the police about you and not me, sir.
Where are they now?
Which area?
Sir, the signal has been cut off just before Nelson Bridge. Hey bro, he has brought David to this place. Be careful, guys.
Hey, careful!
Cover that area. Sir, stop. This is Nelson Bridge.
Subhash, surround this area completely.
Amrita, hey, don't go! Bro, what happened to you? Wake up! Hey, Amrita! Amrita, what happened to you? Hey! Take her from here! Just go!
Put the gun down immediately. I was waiting for this day alone.
Hey! Don't shoot! No! No!
Hey,
no.
are you afraid? Are you afraid of your death? Huh? You have done lot of illegal activities. You have killed lot of innocent people in your life. You have spoiled a children's life to degrading this entire society. For what? Just for some stupid politicians of this country. Do you know how many innocent people have died because of you? Do you know about their family? About the family's pain? Because of those good heart soul curse, you are in front of us now.
No!
People like you who have spoiled children's life will spread like a virus and destroy the society completely. You guys should not be left. Otherwise this will continue. People who come outside the country and create war against us, they can also be forgiven. But people like you who do anything for money should not be left in the society at all. Death is a penalty for crime. Kill him!
No!
I said kill him.
No!
Police blood is running in your body. Come on, kill him!
No! You're not supposed to shoot me! No shoot! No shoot!
Come on! Come on! Hey! Come on! Hey, what is your problem? Cool. Okay, come on! Go! Hey! Leave me! You should not come, sir! You should not come, sir! Hey! You should not go! You should not go! You should not go!
What's happening here? What's happening? We have found a guy and Aravind is coming in search of him. How come? How come? Who is giving the news? Who? The police has taken him away. Don't worry. Just leave. What, sir, are you playing now? It's our life. Is it a comedy crowd? We have to beat. It should be a pain for him. He shouldn't come to us again. He has got a mom, right? Yes. Let us take her. Babu!
We have looked out all over Tamil Nadu. His mother is nowhere to be found.
That girl hugged in the CBI office, right? Let's take her!
No!
Why? Why no? Why we shouldn't? Tell me. Why? She is my daughter. Let us beat him. Hit him.
Hello? Oh my god! Oh my god! What happened, Mom? Get up! Get up, you scoundrel! Get up! Mom! Get out of my house! Like this? No, get out of my house! Get out of my house! Get away from here! Who's this? Who do you want? Nobody's here!
Where's the daughter?
No.
Who's that?
Nobody's
She's
here!
not here.
Just believe me!
Come, come, come.
No!
She may have been escaped.
No, please!
Let us catch her.
Nobody's there, I'm telling you!
Don't let her get away.
Hello!
Yeah, come on.
Hey, who the hell are you?
Why are you taking time? Kill her fast.
I'll kill you on the roads for chasing a girl to this extent, you scoundrel! I'm not a person who sleep after retirement. I will keep an eye on every scoundrel like you here. I will now take care of you.
Hey, hey, sir, come here, come here, come here. Sit, man. Whatever the minister has asked, can you give it and go?
This is our ancestors' property.
That's what you're given money, right?
200 crores worth property. You're asking for 2 crores.
That's what those guys say. This is my rate.
Don't blackmail me, okay? I will see you in the court.
Hey, sit down, Osgood. What are you talking when sir is talking? Huh? Is commissioner bigger than David? Huh? Knife doesn't understand the commissioner, huh?
However you try, I will not give my ancestors' property. I'm sure that.
Hey, is wealth big or your life big? Minister, sir, I have sent the person who was greedy for wealth. Now you send me my due share of wealth.
You are having good collection today, huh? Where will you keep all this money?
50% of this is going to your father's only.
From that we are also getting, huh?
You can see these photographs.
Bro, this is the new inspector. Now tell me one thing very frankly, how is this new inspector? Is he going to adjust with all our dealings?
He is not like the person whom you think, my dear friend. You'll have to stop your activities for some days.
What do you mean stop my dealing? I have not seen inspectors. AC, DC, commissioner, you mean I don't have any experience with them. Whichever new person takes charge tries to act very rigid at the beginning. After which they become one among you. The difference is, this guy might ask a little more than you. But just see how I'm going to deal with him.
No, my dear friend, please listen to me. He is an encounter specialist, Mr. Chandrasekhar. We don't know who will be his prey, so you be careful.
What is he saying? Encounter specialist?
I think I have to shut shop for some days. What, man? Whacking from a person like me itself, huh? A deficit of 1,000 rupees in the collection? Just a minute. Boss, Constable Son speaking. Tell me, dude.
Brother, I called you to tell something. Remember that day you had asked those balloon sellers to stand on their knees, right? One of them was a police officer, an encounter specialist. He took a lot of photos that day, right? In that photo, he was standing right behind us. That is where I saw him. Now I saw him in police uniform. I'm sure it's...
Is this true or false?
Okay, I'm cutting the call right now. Bye.
Hey, what's all this, man? In our area, a policeman is loitering around. What are you doing about it, man?
Hi, guys. It's a highly confidential assignment. DGP, Intelligence IG, Commissioner, Additional Commissioner, Joint Commissioner. Other than these officers, nobody know what is happening. We have to be successful.
Sir,
I'm sorry, Mr. Alvin. Just after 1 week of your marriage, I had to call you back for duty. I know your talent. That's why I need you. It's okay, sir. Alvin, good job.
thank you, sir.
All these houses located in Marin Square belong to David. Whichever side we enter, we will not be able to know who is watching us at all. The moment we enter, the countdown should start. Just 5 minutes. 299 seconds we have to start firing. Total 3 actions. First, the entry. Second, David's area. And finally, the encounter. Okay? Phone. Is it from your house?
Yes, sir.
Explain the situation. Just make her understand that the police job is like this.
Hi, I'll call you later. dear,
Alvin,
please.
please continue your conversation. Go.
Yeah, tell me, dear. I will take care of that. I'm in an important meeting. We'll call you later. Bye.
Early morning 3 a.m. we have to be at spot. Surveillance job is yours. You have to reach the spot before the time. Please switch off your cell phone immediately. You have to contact me in this phone.
Yes, sir.
Keep it. Be alert. Where's your gun? Good. Go. Have it. You too. Henceforth we have to contact in this. Okay? Yes, Alvin, tell me. Be careful. Sir Alvin Sudan, over. Sir Alvin Sudan, over. Yeah, Alvin. Sir, people movement here are more. This is not the right time to attack them, sir. It's better we can wait for some more time. I'll call you back later, sir. Over. What is the distance between you both? Approximately around 100 feet, sir. It's not safe. You have to maintain at least 200 meters distance.
Okay, sir.
Call me then. Alvin,
Sir,
tell me.
the people movement is very less now. I think David and his brother have gone to sleep now. Now you can come with our team and we can catch them, sir. I'm sure.
Okay, Alvin. We'll be there.
Okay, sir.
Where's your gun? Check your bullets.
Already loaded, sir.
Good. Let's move on.
Don't do me anything. Please don't kill me. No.
I'm sorry, Mr. Alvin. Just after 1 week of your marriage, I had to call you for duty. I know your talent. That's why I need you. It's okay, sir.
Minister, sir.
Yes. Tell me, David.
What to say? Whenever you guys need us to do your election job and do your personal job, kidnapping and cheap rioting, you need people like me. Once you get the position, you complain to the police and get me trapped. If at all I am taken to court, I will turn an approver.
They're going to finish him in 1 week. It's a CM order. That stupid fellow doesn't know that. How did the SMN news go in the YouTube? Sir, actually it was... I don't need your explanation. I'm sure there's one informer in your group itself. No, sir. There was no mistake in our team. We have lost a good officer. I'm taking responsibility for this failure. The first failure in my career. Alvin Sodhan. I left the station at 12:01 and the encounter was at 3 a.m. But we missed it. What was the reason? How did David get the news? I'm Inspector Shaker speaking. 96 001 0020. I want the call details for this number between 20th afternoon 12 p.m. and 21st morning 3 a.m. at the earliest.
Bro, Karna here.
Yes, brother, tell me. Hey, it's brother.
I owe my life to you. If you wouldn't have told me, I would have been killed by now. You are my life. Even more than that. Whatever you want, you ask me. I am there.
Hey, come on, brother. This is not a big deal at all. Come on.
Catch him. I had left the station at 12 a.m. and you have called and informed David at 3 a.m. There was a call gone to his personal number from your number. How did you get to know about the encounter news? Tell me.
I didn't call, sir.
Rascal! Then tell me who spoke on the phone.
All my calls are recorded, sir. Please listen to it.
Just take it.
Brother, I called you to tell something. Remember that day you had asked those balloon sellers to stand on their knees, right? One of them was a police officer, an encounter specialist.
Who's Arun?
He is the head constable's son, sir.
You have to help us in Norway for our next operation. Otherwise, we'll finish you along with the rowdies.
Whatever you say, I'm going to listen, sir.
Sir, we will definitely cooperate with your operation. But one request, sir. This news should not go out at any cost, sir. The news will not go outside from the department. Thank you so much, sir. Sir, one more matter. This David should not escape, sir. I will take care of that.
In this city, I don't know anybody else other than you.
By the way, I also don't have anyone other than
What
you.
did you say?
Hey, nothing. You tell me, what were you saying?
I had mentioned that day about that trade center agreement.
Agreement. Oh, yeah, you told me about it.
That should be signed by this weekend.
Sure, we can do
They're
it.
asking for 25 lakhs. Will you be able to arrange that
What
money?
help can I do for this? Just 25 lakhs, huh? Yeah, definitely, I can do something. You just wanted to meet me, right?
Yeah, all that is true.
Just for this 25 lakhs, you wanted to see me. If you wanted 25 lakhs, you could have told me that in a phone call. You don't have to meet me for this. That's all.
Not just that. I also felt like seeing you.
Oh, there is another reason, and then it's okay.
If we do this event successfully together, our life will be settled.
Bro, Amrita needs 25 lakhs rupees for deposit. She needs it
Where are
urgently.
you going to go for that big amount?
All that I don't know. We should do something. I'm thinking of selling his kidney.
I have never seen you guys serious like this before.
What to do? Certain things happen and you become serious.
What's your problem? Everyone's problem I am clearing. Won't I be able to solve your problem? Tell me what.
Oh, then I'll tell you. I need 25 lakhs urgently. Will you give me? When I ask for money, he is laughing.
Just 25 lakhs, right? For this, you're feeling so desperate.
What are you saying?
I've got an awesome idea with me. Will you listen?
What is this super idea?
There is a case revolving around a property worth 200 crores. Either I can involve the local governing body or your father's. Neither of them is going to pay me the commission. Now you know Karna very well, right?
Yeah, I
Then
know.
involve him and get it done.
For me to ask this to brother? Hey, that I can't do definitely. He's already tensed right now. I can't say
Hey,
this.
how long are you guys going to struggle like this in life? Try doing a big deal and settle down in life. Your commission itself will be 5 crores.
5 crores?
Huh?
Should I believe him or not? Huh? Yeah, alright, I'll talk to him once.
Hey, keep it slowly. It should be very heavy. Careful. Hello,
Hello, this is me, Arun Kumar.
David. One Arun wants to talk to you.
Oh, give. Yeah, tell me, bro, what's the matter?
Brother, it's about evacuating some people from a building.
Why all this right now, man?
That is because it's a good work, brother. I'm getting good commission also. If you try, it'll definitely happen.
Which building are you talking about?
It's that mall in MG Road.
You mean MG Road building? Hey, dude, the building issue is settled once and for all. You won't have any more problems from now on. You send my commission through the boys I'm going to send. Okay, take care. If you scare the law, you cannot do your profession. If all our vehicles go together, the police may doubt us. You go that way.
Okay, bro.
Okay, bro. Hey, turn off the TV, yeah? This is Karna here. Yes, tell me, bro. Carefully listen to what I'm talking. Hey, Bullman. Hey, who's it, yeah?
Hey, brother is calling.
Talk.
Yeah, tell me, brother.
I have finished the deal that you have asked me to do.
Oh, is that so?
Just go there. The building's owner will be there. My commission and your commission, a total of 25 crores will be handed over to you. Take it and call me back immediately.
Yeah, okay, brother. Thank you.
Now he's going to meet the other guy. In another 1 hour, David will be in the city limits. What they're going to do from here on, I will be informing you in the next 1 hour. I'll be following them.
Alright, I'll inform sir also.
Oh, yeah, he's here. Hey, we have been waiting for you for so long. By the way, you should not be late for such things. Alright.
Then comes your share. God knows what. Making fun of me, huh? Just wait and see how you're going to be dealt with.
David spoke and solved the building problem. This money is for him and your commission too. I hope you all are happy. Please inform this to Mr. David.
Alright then, see you.
You're
Bye.
welcome.
Hey, bro, just come and lift this.
God knows if it is a Reserve Bank print or a Shivagasi print. Sir, Kanna has come into the city limits.
Yeah, brother, we got the money. We are coming.
3rd Avenue, 7th Cross Street.
Oh, near that park. Yeah, we'll come there.
Hello? It's me, dear. We are moving towards 3rd Avenue, 7th Cross Street. My friends are also with me. Where are you now, bro?
Yeah, we have reached the place where you wanted us to come.
When you come to St. Francis College, just give
Oh,
me a
you
call.
want us to come to the college? Yeah, we'll come there.
Hello, dear. We are almost moving away from 7th Cross Street. From there, we are going to come almost to the St. Francis College.
Ah, brother, we are nearing the college right now.
Take a U-turn and come down the road.
Oh, you want us to come to your place? Alright, then we'll come to your place.
What, dude? I feel we are going to spend all the money on petrol itself. Alright, dude. Hey, you go to straight away to Pondicherry. You also leave. Sir, David is actually moving from the BMW to another car. Mahindra Scorpio, sir.
Yeah, we are close to your place. Where else do you want us to come?
Come to Crystal Mall.
Yeah, alright then.
Sir, again, Karna's location is shown at Izia.
Karthik?
Yes, sir.
Make a call to Gerald.
Okay, sir.
Shit.
His mobile is switched off, sir. Where is his address, bro?
This address? Ask someone else, man. Such a headache, these guys. Come, let's go. Come.
When you want to start, you should only let me know.
Mr. Vijay Kumar, any progress?
You'll be getting a good news shortly, madam.
Good. I believe in you. You can do it. I have already advised my chief secretary to give all necessary support to you. Anything important, you can call me directly regarding this.
Thank you. Thank you so much, madam. Thanks a lot.
Oh, Holy Mother, please take care of whatever I'm doing and all my people around us all this way. 1, 2, 3. 3, 4, 5, 6. On the 18th. I am told that we should move on the 18th. If we start our trip on the 18th, we can easily escape even if there are 400 checkposts in 400 kilometers. And one more thing, military. I am listening. Did Muthukumaran say how should we go?
By ambulance.
That's a good idea. If we go in the ambulance, nobody is going to suspect us. We can go very comfortably, right?
Not bad. This is looking exactly like an ambulance. It's difficult for us to believe that it's a police vehicle.
Yes, sir.
And buddy, just like the light which is there on the top, we should have one LED inside too.
Okay, sir.
And which hospital have you decided?
SKS Hospital, Salem.
Alright. Make SKS Hospital stickers and just stick both the sides of the van.
Sure, sir. It will be done, sir.
At any cost, Veerappan should not know that this is an ambulance and we are cheating him.
Okay, sir.
Whatever should be inside an ambulance.
Leg structure, oxygen, everything I'll take care of, sir.
Good. Don't miss anything,
Sure,
buddy.
sir.
Just open the curtain.
Yes, sir. Is it okay?
Okay. Good. Buddy, just open this. This slide control, it's better to fit outside than keeping it inside, okay?
Sir.
And one more thing, I think this is very open. I think some dark paper should be sticked on this. I think that will be better to see, don't you think?
Yes, sir. But if it is fully covered, we won't know what is happening inside, right?
You're right.
Sir.
See, you guys should be secure, that's
Yep.
it. Okay, do one thing. Just like that curtain, put on this side also.
okay.
That will be fine.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I'll do it.
And there should be a central locking system in this vehicle. Okay? If the driver locks from here, nobody should be able to open from there.
That can be done, sir.
You have to drill a hole that side. I'll tell you the reason for that later on.
Okay, sir. One important thing, sir. For this operation, you didn't tell me who's going to drive the ambulance.
Saravanan. Totally, how many people?
28, sir.
28. So split the team into 4. 7 in each team.
Right, sir.
Alpha, Beta, Charlie, Delta, and the 4th team to back up. Please check the signal frequency also.
Yes, sir.
What's the strength?
There is a radiation of 6 to 7 kilometers, sir.
Okay.
But I doubt, sir. We can expect something like 2 or 3 kilometers.
I think from this angle, the distance will be correct. What do you feel?
Yeah, right, sir. Yeah. In this dress, you cannot roam around outside. You wear this t-shirt and trousers. At this age, should I wear something like these? And military, is the vehicle ready? Vehicle is ready. Military. You take this paper piece and give it to Muthukumaran. Okay. In the vehicle that comes, I'll only enter if this paper is there. I'll give. Alright. Sir, for an identification, he will only enter the vehicle if this paper is there. Everything is happening as per our plans. There are a number of checkposts in our way. If they see this big mustache,
brother, your big mustache.
you also have to take your mustache. People will be easily recognizing that you are Setupulli Govinda. And one more thing, military. Did you hand over the paper that I gave you? I gave it yesterday itself.
Well, I think this should be the right place. All the 28 people should be in civil dress.
Yes, sir.
It's already 2:30 p.m. Why don't you tell the lorry?
Sir, my brother is on the way from Coimbatore sugar mill with half a load of sugar. He'll be coming soon. Just in case he doesn't get into the vehicle.
All right. In case after getting inside the vehicle, if Veerappan doesn't take our route, then what we'll do? Just come. If the vehicle travels left side or the right side, then what can we do? If in case that happens,
Sir.
at Pennagaram Road, Shanmugavel and team should be ready there. At Palakkad Road, Chinnasamy and team should be placed.
Okay, sir.
And our Tirunavakasan and team, when Veerappan is coming by the ambulance, the vehicle should be blocked at least 500 meters in advance.
In that case, I shall ask our boys to assemble at Dharmapuri IBL at 8:30 p.m. How about doing a Veerappan's briefing there?
No briefing. At any cost, nobody should know who's inside the vehicle. Mr. Kannan,
Sir.
till this date, our senior officers have tackled this case and failed to do something.
Yes, sir.
Now the public, media. Let us not be a laughing stock to those people. Anything can happen. Everything should be under secret.
Sir.
Till the Operation Cuckoo succeeded.
Okay, sir.
Come here, buddy.
Sir.
Show this paper to him. If he sees this alone, he will enter the vehicle.
Okay, sir.
You know who's your passenger? Veerappan.
Yes, sir.
Are you afraid of that?
No, sir.
Good. Move on.
Saravanan,
Sir.
just come here. Sir, when the ambulance comes to the spot, our team might be confused as to where to shoot. For that, I have asked them to stick radium stickers. Now
That's a
we'll
good
plan
idea.
it. Hey, just come
Sir.
here. One should be up here,
Okay.
then in the back there,
Right, sir.
and then come here.
Okay, sir.
Boys, listen carefully. Within 40 minutes, an ambulance will be coming this way. They are our target. And one important thing, the guy sitting in front of the vehicle, including our driver. Once they get down within 6 seconds, you should fire, and that too after getting my instruction. The person who's coming in the vehicle is an Naxalite who wanted to meet Veerappan. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
You saw the tank there. Just stop by the side. I'll go and bring them very fast. You reverse the vehicle and keep it ready.
Yeah, what is the matter? The vehicle has come or what?
Vehicle is waiting by the tank. Let's go.
Alpha team, your position is above the school.
Yes, sir.
Hey, military. All arrangements are made over. Yeah.
Beta team, above the sugarcane vehicle.
Oh, Holy Mother, take care of us. It is the first time in my life that I am leaving this forest and getting out. So therefore, please take care of us.
You take the position there.
Sir.
And backup team, just wait for my command. Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Hello, sir. Just show the paper. I waited for 2 hours. I also got your favorite biryani. Food for 2 days is stocked in here. See this. Look at your favorite biryani.
Okay, brother.
And water to drink. And this is buttermilk. Drink it.
Have it, brother.
I am going to meet Muthukumar. Should I say something?
Very grateful to you. I don't know how to say thanks. After reaching there, I shall communicate with you.
Okay.
Come on the line over. Lion, please come on the line over.
Line here, over.
Ambulance Srinivas Medicals. Over and out.
Good. Over and out. Inspector, close the railway gate.
The railway gate should be closed immediately. Has the railway gate been closed?
Good. You go and take the position.
Okay, sir.
No movement, sir.
Brother, they are firing at us now. Hey, Govinda! Take the gun and fire, man!
Congratulations.
It's okay. Thank you, sir.
Come.
Sir.
Do you know who's inside the vehicle?
No, sir.
Go and see.
Right, sir.
Mr. Kannan,
Sir.
I want to tell you one more important thing.
What is it, sir?
Post-operation, I mean, we did not plan how to take the body from here. See to it that the body reaches Dharmapuri at the earliest.
I'll take care of that, sir.
Hello.
Good evening, ma'am. Sorry to disturb you at this time. Operation success. Veerappan is dead.
Congrats. Send me the list of all police officials who were there in this operation. As I promised, I will announce the reward immediately.
Yes, madam. Thank you so much.